I'm doing a Knit Crate yarn giveaway, and all you need to do is just comment down below something crochet related. Also, I have a new Facebook group and page, and if you'd like to join that, that's listed down below, and any of my promotions are listed down below. This giveaway, I'll pick a person with the random comment picker, and that will happen in a couple of weeks. So if you also would like to be a Knit Crate member, if you aren't already, you can sign up under me and put in the promo code Jewel20, and your first month will be 20% off. It's $24.95 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet with patterns in it. So let's get started. So here's this mermaid yarn, City Never Enough yarn. It's cute little elephant, if you can see that. Okay, here's the yarn. We'll start with that first. Ooh, this is very soft. And it's 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca, worsted weight, 150 yards. You get 2 of these, 100 grams. Suggested needle size, US 810, 5, 6. Okay, and it's very soft, like a mint light green. And you get 2. And here's the book it comes with, inspirations. And also make sure you're a subscriber on my channel as well, and hit the notification bell. This is knit as well as that one's a knit. They also have crochet, and this is the crochet one. Very pretty. And these are socks. Pattern for that, which is a knit. And this is crochet. Slippers. Very cute. After the show slippers. Okay, so this is the booklet for July, August. Okay, so please be a subscriber. Comment down below. I'll pick a winner soon. I look forward to your comments, and thank you for watching.